Bulenox versus Apex, which one is better? That's what everyone is asking. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what I think are the key differences between the two companies' payout structure and everything you need to know, plus a huge discount that I've never even seen before. So enjoy the video. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to start off with the valuation rules. Bulenox and Apex have very similar valuation rules. The only real difference is minimum 7 trading days for Apex, and Bulenox is 10 days. But let's go through them. Do not exceed loss limit, trade only permitted products, and that's it. And then Apex has the follow the code of conduct. So this isn't exactly an evaluation rule, but it is a standard that they put on their website. And they also have a video. You guys can go through that if you check out the help section at Apex's website, which I will leave that in the description. Alright, moving on to the next slide. This one is a slide on the live account fees and cost, and for this whole video I'll be using the 50K account as an example. So Bulenox has no subscription model, so once you pass, it's just a one-time $150 fee. Apex, they actually offer two different activation fees now. So you can do the $85 activation fee, which that's good for like traders that are still failing funded accounts, because once you go into a funded account, it is going to mess with your head a little bit, and you're most likely going to fail a few of them. I know that's for sure. And then you can also pay a one-time $140 activation fee. So you have the two choices here. You either pay $85 a month for every month going forward forever, or the $140 one-time activation fee. I recommend going with the one-time $140 activation fee. Alright, moving on here. Live funded account rules and restrictions. Bulenox, they're pretty much the same as the evaluation. It doesn't change. The trailing drawdown ends at 50,100 for Bulenox. Apex, 30% profit withdrawal restrictions. So to withdraw profits, you cannot have more than 30% of your profits made in one single day. This rule I'm not a huge fan of. It is kind of a letdown for me after all the changes I've made for traders. But as long as you're consistent, it's not going to be that hard to not be over 30% of your profits. So I would avoid trying to take really large trades like during news, which you shouldn't be doing anyways. And their trailing drawdown ends at the same 50,100. So in a live account, it's going to follow you up to 50,100 and will stop and stay there forever. It will never keep trailing you farther than that. Consistent trading plan in size, stops, and targets. So this is something new as well that Apex has dropped. If you look in the FAQ section on their website, it does state that they want consistent trading plan in size, stops, and targets. It goes into they're looking for more stable, consistent traders, people that aren't gambling and manipulating the system. Because they have had it like that in the past. They've had people coming on Facebook saying that they're not paying out and all this. But I think that's why they implemented these rules, is so they don't have to deal with that kind of stuff anymore. So alright, moving on. Let's go to the next slide here. Okay, so we have payout structure here, the very most important part that everyone cares about the most. I know I do. Alright, Bulenox, trading days for first payout is 20 days. Apex, trading days for first payout is 10 trading days, and it's 10 trading days forever for Apex. Then let's go back to Bulenox. Trading days for 2 through the 3rd payout is 12. Trading days for the 4th payout, and after that is 0. That's one thing that's really nice about Bulenox. After your 4th payout, it forever is going to be 0 minimum trading days, which is really nice. So let's say you make a killing in one day, you can kind of not trade that heavy for the rest of the week, and then you can make a withdrawal on the next payout cycle. Our next slide here, withdrawal threshold, 50K example. Bulenox is 52,600 and Apex is the same, 52,600. So to be able to withdraw for your first payout, you're going to need to have 52,600 in your account, and then plus whatever profit you're going to want to be able to withdraw. This is something that a lot of the companies don't talk about, but you're going to need to have those profits in your account to be able to withdraw. Apex, on the other hand, will let you withdraw the 2,500 of profit, but you don't want to do that. It puts you so close to your trailing drawdown. It's dangerous, and I don't really like that about them. I think that's kind of shady. This is actually very beneficial for the trader. You want to leave a cushion in there. Like you got to realize that these companies are out to make money, and they're not your friends. They're not your buddies. So play the game. Always play the game. These companies want you to fail your valuation. They don't want you to withdraw profits. So trade it like that. Trade it as they're against you. It's a fucking war. So you have to know this, and you have to trade it as so. Treat it as a war. You don't want to mess around and blow your account being greedy, trying to take out the last 2,000 in profit before your trailing drawdown. Leave a buffer in there so you trade for the long term, not for the short term. Okay, back to the subject. I got a little bit off course there and a little bit upset because I hate seeing traders get screwed over by these companies. Alright, while we have a break in a little recording, let's go ahead and head over to my website real quick and I'll show you those amazing discounts. Let's check out these best discounts that I've ever seen, like legitly. So you can come to my website, verifiedfundingcompanies.com, click on verified trader funding discounts here at the top, and then you just scroll down. And Bulenox has the option 1 90% off of all accounts. That's incredible. I've seen it like 85, but 90% no. So this makes a 50K valuation only $18. Apex as well has a 90% off discount. Use the code PROVEN50 to get 90% off of all accounts. So both these sales end Tuesday at midnight, and the code for Bulenox's 90% off is use the code PROVEN90. So if you come to my website, you can click on the image and then it will take you to the website. There's also UProfit is having a 50% off sale, which is really good for them. Usually their max discounts like 30 to 40%. Tick Trader is another company that's verified by me. They have a 60% off. Use the code HAPPY23 and you'll get 60% off. So the good thing about Tick Trader and UProfit is you can start withdrawals from day one. So that's what actually is the first company I got withdrawals from, was UProfit, and it helps like take out the gamification of the money. So what's happening with people that have been doing evaluations for a long time is once you get your funded account, you're not going to take the money seriously and you're going to keep blowing the funded account. So once I started getting money from UProfit right away, it really helped. The only catch with UProfit and Tick Trader is the early withdrawals from day one. When you're not over the threshold, they're going to take 50%. But as I said, I think it's beneficial and helps you stop gamifying the money. You can also subscribe, and then once I'm up to 100 subscribers on my website, I will be sending out updates of funding discounts, but I'll never spam you or nothing like that. So if you don't want to visit my website, I will leave the link to Apex and Bulenox so you guys can check out their discounts. All right, back to the Apex versus Bulenox. Okay, so the maximum withdrawal you can take out for the first couple payouts. We'll start with Bulenox. So the first payout, it's 1,500 is the max amount you can take for a 50K account for your first withdrawal. And the second payout's the same, 1,500. Third payout's the same, 1,500. And then once you get to the fourth, after the third payout, there is no max, so you can just go ham and withdraw as much as you want. Let's go to Apex here. So Apex is different. It's not based on payouts, but it's based on months. So you're looking at 4 months or 3 months, and then on the fourth month, you can withdraw as much as you want. So theirs is a little bit higher though. So the first payout's 2,000, second payout's 2,000, and so on. But so the difference here, I'll say it again. So Bulenox is based off of payouts, so you get 2 payouts a month, and Apex is based off of months. So you're looking at 2 payouts, you're looking at 8 payouts before you can get the max amount. But still, $2,000 can trade your life. That's a fact. All right, moving on to the next slide here. All right, this is the minimum withdrawal for payouts. First through third with Bulenox, it's $1,000, and the fourth and on, there is no minimum. So that's a benefit of Bulenox, is there is no minimum on the fourth and after. Apex is 1,000 from then on. It's just always going to be 1,000 for a minimum payout for Apex. So that is a benefit. We give Bulenox a win on this one. Okay, so after going through both of these, my recommendation is use both these companies. In my opinion, it is always better to stack these accounts up and have multiple accounts with different companies. Currently, I have two Bulenox funded accounts, one Apex, one UProfit, and another Bulenox that I just passed on Friday, and another Apex account I just passed on Wednesday. I think I'm just waiting for the 10 days. So if you happen to finish an evaluation early, just trade micros until the 10 days. So, like I said, use both these companies to reach your trading goals. Play the game, realize they're out to make money,